Alright guys, 2003 Toyota Corolla. No air coming out of the vents here. You can hear the air, and the customer is feeling cold in the car and he's not getting any air on his face, meaning it's not coming forward. You could feel it coming out from the top right there, but from the defrost. But anyway, the problem what I discovered was, so no heat on this car, and he cannot control the airflow. He cannot choose where he wants the air to be. So what I did was I removed this glove box, guys. You could do yourself. All you do is push in this tab, push in the other side, and the glove box come out. Remove the screw there on this little guy right here. This one was just fell apart as soon as I removed it, so I never went through that. Anyways, right in here, guys, what I discovered was this cable right here. It controls the blender for the defrost, wherever you want the air to be, the floor, face, up, down, wherever you want it to be. All right, so the problem he was having, he was not, whatever he does here, nothing happened. So as I turn this, pay attention to that cable, guys. As I turn that knob, you see that the cable moves in and out, in and out. All right, so the problem there is it's out of the housing up there. So this retainer right here, guys, just push it, squeeze it a little bit, because that retainer seems like it's open. So all you need to do is squeeze it back just like that, just push it in. This cable must have came out of the housing. And guys, when you put this in, you do need to figure out, first put the flow of the wind wherever you want it to be, and then put the car on, put the fan on by doing this. And don't lock this in till you know the airflow this is on. Let's say you're putting it on your face right there. So if you're getting only air right here now, you're gonna lock it up right there. If not, just play around with it. Sometimes this cable is not in the proper position, but you might not have that problem. All right, so to put it back, guys, very simple, guys. You take this little guy right here, you stick it into that little arm that's sticking out of the blender control unit. So all he's gonna do is open the door and close the door to a certain position, and then this little guy right here, it locks in like that. All right, now it should not come on. What happened over time was this is loose and it came out of its position. Now watch, pay attention now. You see that? The door can maneuver around wherever it likes, guys. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe, share, like, and tell your friends about my videos and let them subscribe. If you have any questions besides this, just send me a message, guys. But anyways, put this thing back, and that's it. You're done. Bada bing, bada boom. I'll see you on the next one, guys.